MrBeast just admitted that dopamine addiction nearly destroyed his focus, and he's not alone. If you're feeling numb, unmotivated, stuck in endless scrolling or porn habits, and you feel your motivation, drive, confidence, and clarity going out the window, then this video is for you. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, and today I'm going to show you how dopamine addiction can create what I call dopamine zombies in your brain, and I'm going to show you what to do about it. It's time to take your brain back, my friend. MrBeast, arguably the most focused creator alive, had to go full dopamine detox just to get himself back on track creating. It was the only way he could get and stay productive. He said, "I had to lock my phone away just to function." Now imagine what that level of overstimulation is doing to you, especially when you combine it with hours of TikTok, gaming, scrolling, notifications, and porn. We are creating a generation of men whose brains can hardly function without fast, high-level, constant overstimulation. And when real life shows up, whether that be sex, work, or connection, nothing happens. You feel nothing. Real life feels flat, and that's not by accident. Here's what's happening in your brain, broken down simply. When you watch porn, you scroll TikTok, you take in content endlessly, it releases a neurochemical called dopamine, the feel-good chemical. So at first, it feels great, but over time, with repeated overstimulation, the dopamine receptors begin to become desensitized and they downregulate. That means you need more stimulation to feel the same. It's known as dopamine desensitization. Your nucleus accumbens gets overloaded. Your prefrontal cortex weakens. Your amygdala fires up and stays that way. Translation? You can't focus, you can't stay calm, and you can't become aroused unless it's extreme, new, digital stimulation. More dopamine does not equal more satisfaction. Your reward system has been hijacked. This is exactly why more young men than ever are experiencing erectile dysfunction. It's not because of aging, it's not because of hormones, it's because of overstimulation in the brain. You've trained your brain to respond to a screen, not to a partner. ED in men under 30 is up 600% since 2000. But here, my friend, is the good news. Your brain can heal. It's called neuroplasticity. Here's my 4-step Rewire blueprint. Number 1, remove the overstimulation. Number 2, rewire your brain through breath work, focus, stillness. 3, reconnect with humans, emotions, and reality. 4, reclaim your drive, performance, and confidence. This is precisely what I teach at drtrishleigh.com, and it's already changing thousands of people's lives. Remember, you're not broken. You're simply hijacked by a system that profits off of your dysfunction, your disconnection, your distraction. MrBeast fought to get his focus back. You can fight to get yours back too. Go to drtrishleigh.com right now and download the free guide. In the comments, tell me, what part of your life is dopamine stealing from you right now? Because now is the time to stop the screens from stealing your life from you. Right now is the time to elevate your mind over explicit matter. Visit drtrishleigh.com. Comment, what dopamine trap are you breaking free from? Watch the next video coming up on the screen now. We can dive in deeper together.